Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13, water, and today is its 8th lecture, and this is the last lecture review of unit number 13. So my dear students, let's quickly move towards the recap that what we did in the previous lecture. Quickly answer and tell me what will happen if we waste water. पानी को अगर आप जाया करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Very good, you will experience shortage of water or somebody else will experience shortage of water, and water is a limited resource. So my dear students, here on page number 98, all the student learning outcomes are given. That now all the students are in this unit you have covered the recognition of living things that need water to stay alive, and we have also identified simple uses of water in everyday life. We have identified the natural resources of water around themselves, around ourselves, and we also recognize the importance of water resources. You also narrated how water gets from a natural resource to taps in your homes, and you recognize that clean water should be used for drinking and cooking purpose. And we understood that boiling and filtering, etc., are methods of purifying water. And we also recognize that some areas of Pakistan experiences shortage of water. So my dear students, these are the student learning outcomes. We have covered, alhamdulillah, all the outcomes. Now we will move forward towards the Islamic perspective. And again, we did the same Islamic perspective. We discussed the same Islamic perspective that no one should waste water even if you are standing on the bank of a river. यानी कि अगर आप दरिया के किनारे खड़े हैं तब भी आपको पानी ज़ाया नहीं करना चाहिए. So my dear students, now is the time for review. So we started it from page number 99 and we discussed about the importance of water. Describe some ways to use water at the domestic as well as industrial level. So on this page and the objective that we discussed here, we discussed that living things, plants and animals both need water to stay alive. And they use it at home. We use it for drinking, for cooking, for watering the plants, for washing, cleaning, taking bath. So we use water at for different purposes at domestic level, and at industrial level water is used for cleaning the units and for cooling down the units. So a lot of uses of water at industrial level also. Then we move forward toward where does all the water come from. So where does the water on earth come from? So snow and rain are the main sources of water on earth. So the rainwater is collected and stored in rivers, oceans and lakes. And the snow, it forms glaciers, and when they melt, they form streams, waterfalls, lakes, etc. So this is how the water on earth comes from rain and snow. Then we studied about importance of natural resources. के पानी के क्या-क्या benefits हैं, natural resources के क्या-क्या benefits हैं. So we discussed that पानी के बहुत सारे benefits हैं. It is used for drinking first of all. Then it is used for food purpose, यानी कि हम पानी से खाना कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Fish and prawns, we get the seafood from it. And then it is also a trade route for transportation between the countries, large water bodies. So this is how natural resources benefits human beings and living things a lot. And then on page number 101, we discussed about how water comes in our houses. So how does water come in your house? Stepwise process. So from a natural resource, water is pumped to the cleaning plant. From there, it is in the cleaning plant, it is cleaned and the water quality is improved. All the impurities are taken out, and then it is pumped to the storage, water storage near our cities and societies. And from the storage, it is pumped to our houses. So this is the stepwise process that how water comes into our taps. And then we studied about can we make water clean at home, कि पानी को साफ सुथरा क्यों होना चाहिए और कैसे हम पानी को जो है वो साफ कर सकते हैं. So drinking water must always be clean, and the water that we use in cooking, it should always be clean. So how we can clean it at homes? We can boil it, and we can also put elm in it and we can filter it, and this is how we can clean, make water clean at our homes. What will happen if we waste water? So पानी को ज़ाया बिल्कुल नहीं करना. Do not waste water. Water is a limited resource, and if you will keep on wasting the water, there will be very limited water for you to use, and you will face a shortage of water. So never waste the water. So this is end of lecture number 13. Now is the time for evaluation. So for evaluation, you can simply download worksheet number 7 from the description box of this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. First of all, write down your name and your class, and then start doing the worksheet. How water comes in our houses, draw the steps. The box is given here. Only draw in color the steps and label them also through which water comes in your homes. Question number 2. What is the importance of natural water resources? पानी के जो natural resources हैं उनके क्या benefits हैं, क्या फायदे हैं उनके, write them down in points. Question number 3. Why do you think drinking water must be clean? How we can clean it at our homes? पानी को क्यों पीने वाला पानी साफ होना चाहिए, और इसको घर पे how we can clean it? What are the ways of cleaning the water at home? Write them down. Write some uses of water. In which daily activities water is wasted? ठीक है, कुछ आपने डेली बेसिस पे जिन पे आप पानी को इस्तेमाल करते हैं उनके आपने एक्टिविटीज के नेम्स लिखने हैं, और कौन सी एक्टिविटीज में पानी बहुत ज्यादा जाया होता है, वेस्ट होता है. Also write down the names of those activities. So this is your evaluation, your test, your assessment. Pause the video, complete your assessment, and then give it to your teacher. I hope everybody has finished the worksheet. Give it to your teacher for marks and gradings, and now we will move forward towards the homework. Today your homework is to read unit number 13, complete all the reading pages. So if you have missed anything, or if you have not got any points or concepts, so you will revise them and you can get them, and you can rewatch the lecture also. So my dear students, now all the students are able to recognize the need of water. They are also able to identify the natural resources of water. All the students are now able to narrate how water comes in our houses. They are able to recognize that water must be clean, and they are also able to recognize that people experience shortage of water when we waste it. So my dear students, this is it for unit number 13. I hope you have learned a lot of good things from this unit. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.